Hey guys, if Robinhood's not letting you withdraw your money, here's what could be going on. First, if you just sold stocks or options, there's a small wait time. It usually takes one trading day to settle, so your money will only be withdrawable the next day. Next, if you recently added money, you gotta wait until it clears before you can pull it out. If you've got pending orders, Robinhood holds that cash, so just cancel those orders if you want to use the money. Also, if you got some free stock from a referral, you can't withdraw that money until 30 days after selling it. Now, if you're using margin investing, you need to keep at least $2,000 in your account. To withdraw below that, you'll have to turn margin off in the settings. Trying to send money to a different bank account than the one you used to deposit, Robinhood might block it unless you verify stuff like your ID and bank statements. Sometimes withdrawals fail because of account restrictions. If that's the case, you'll usually see a banner in the app. Just hit up support to fix it. And finally, don't forget, there are daily withdrawal limits. You can check yours in the app under transfer limits. That's it. Hope this helps you figure it out.